the minister has given an update to say 4 people have been appointed. Former referees, Daniel Fraser Bennett, Victor De Freitas Gomez, Jerome Kelvin Damon, Abdul Basit Ibrahim. These are 4 referees who are appointed to lead the project team.
Black refs?
Come again?
Where are the black referees?
Angifuni ukungena lana ma.
I'm asking, are there any on that list?
I did not appoint, but
Are there any black referees on that list?
look at the name, Daniel Fraser Bennett.
No.
Victor De Freitas Gomez.
No.
Jerome Kelvin Damon.
No.
And then Abdul Basit Ibrahim.
So where are the black referees?
I did not appoint them. But the good thing is, we have AFCON. Okay.
Is there not more black referees than anybody else in the referees panel, past or current?
No, in the PSL now, there is no Mzungu. It's only black referees.
And then previous referees?
Yeah, we used to have Gomez. It was the last
So
one.
Talk about majority. Who's the majority? Is the majority black referees?
Majority is black.
So there's no referees that were excellent and that were well learned who are black.
They are in the other structures, but on the VR, abeko.
No, but these ones, do they know VR? Because they're
Some
pointing them to
Only Jerome.
Jerome is
Jerome,
a VR
yeah.
instructor, yes. The rest are just retired senior referees in the country.
That's what I'm saying. Are there no black retired senior referees?
Bako.
Like Victor Shumwani?
Bako, no, but they don't appoint themselves.
Okay, this guy's like I said, go on.
Yeah, what we can say is that the minister has announced, so these people will now communicate with FIFA to grant us the license to can start VR. So now we have 2 breaks here. We have the AFCON break in Morocco, December, January. So if money comes in from, because money is not in yet, if money comes in from government before that time, then referees will start the training. It takes 6 weeks full time. If they can do 3 weeks, and then when it comes to World Cup, which is June, July, then they can complete the other 3 weeks, and then we can have a proper trained referees, not VAR that is microwaved in England. That took very few weeks to be trained, and referees are messing up with the system. So in this stage, in South Africa, we don't want that. We want proper training of referees where they will be able to implement VAR effectively and efficiently in our league. Let's go to our